Chips, or integrated circuits, are the fundamental components powering modern electronics. They are made by integrating transistors, resistors, and other elements onto a small semiconductor wafer. These compact components enable a wide range of functions in devices from smartphones to supercomputers. Chips are continuously evolving towards smaller sizes, higher performance, and lower power consumption. The pursuit of miniaturization allows for more components to be packed onto a single chip, enhancing processing capabilities. Meanwhile, new materials and manufacturing techniques are being explored to achieve better energy efficiency. Looking ahead, chips will play an even more vital role. They will be at the heart of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and autonomous vehicles. As technology advances, chips are expected to drive further innovation, bringing more intelligent and convenient products into our lives.